Please excuse this side ponytail. I'm trying something new. Guess what we're doing today? Today, we're going to be unboxing this. It's a big one. Probably the biggest thing I've unboxed on this channel, but I'm really excited about it. Along with this fancy new set that's in a closet, I also finally invested in a ring light. Now my camera is actually really good at picking up natural lighting and adjusting the levels automatically, but I always felt like the lighting could still be a little bit better. This is a Neewer brand ring light. I think I got one in 18 inches. Personally, I don't think I need a light this big. It's such a big investment. It was just one of those moments where I felt like go big or go home kind of thing, because like I will be using this a lot. So do I want to get a smaller one and eventually get a bigger one, or just buy a big one right now? So let's open it up. It's kind of too big to pick up and open on camera at the same time. I did a lot of research on this light before buying it, again, because go big or go home, and I found that a lot of YouTubers use this brand of ring light, so it is trusted, it is widely used. However, when I looked it up on Amazon, it was more or less mixed. Some people loved it, some people received defective ones for some reason, some even claimed that they weren't given a stand. But later upon research, I just realized the packaging of this light is a little bit funky. It comes with a stand, but it's in very deceiving packaging. So we're gonna be looking for that as I open this. Okay, so right when you open, this big rectangular box is on top. I wonder if this is the stand and maybe they like changed their packaging so the legs are on top and not the light. I don't know. Yes. So here's the stand that comes with it. So they did change that. A lot of the bad reviews were talking about how the legs were at the bottom and it looked like, you know, the end of the box. You know, if you're just looking at this at the bottom of the box, you think that was the bottom of the box. So I think they changed that and started putting it on top, which is a good thing. And the legs bend backwards. I need to work out more. Oh my gosh, okay. So I learned there's a knob right here, and if you turn, it makes the legs move a lot easier. I lied. Almost got it. Is this supposed to snap? Oh, I got it. Yay! Legs. Okay, so the next thing I see is the carrying case. Oh my gosh, why am I so weak? I need to start working out more. I got like no upper arm strength. So right below the legs, you get this neato carrying case, which I think has everything inside. Ta-da! Here's the money shot. Sidebar, real quick. My closet is barely big enough to fit this entire bag if I allow it to lay flat. Like, it's a struggle right now. Here are the two sets of filters that come with the light. It also comes with two C-snaps things. I don't know what you call these. Time to unbox the big kahuna. That is one giant ring light. Like I said, I got the 18-inch version. I think it comes with another one, a smaller one that I think is 14 or something like that. I'll link everything in the description box below. It actually comes out with the light exposed, and I finally realized what those C-clamp things were for. They seem to be spares to keep the light bulb in place. Give me a second, because I didn't anticipate it being this big. So,
a few moments later.
Alright, now that it's all set up, let's talk about it. I'm currently using the yellow and orange filter at its lowest setting. I do notice that the reflection of my glasses are going to be a distraction in the future, but that's my own fault for not investing in glare resistant glasses anyway. So when I first put this together, I thought it was pretty simple. There's only 3 parts to this whole thing. There's the stand, the light holder, and then finally the light itself. ASMR. Now, when I put on the light holder, I ended up not even using it. So this current setup that I got right now doesn't even have that flexible part. I actually just attached it to the stand itself. And you are able to do that, which I can appreciate because I would use the flexi tip. I can see how it'd be better if I could angle the light rather than just going straight up and down. I can see how that could be beneficial. But once I put it on, I realized if my camera was gonna go on top of that flexible part, I don't have the confidence that it is like taut enough or tight enough that it could withstand all the weight. It also comes with a camera attachment, which I really appreciated. So overall, this light kit, which also happens to come with a bag, a traveling bag for it, is very affordable and worth it in my opinion. I only spent around $90 for this entire set, and it comes with a traveling kit and all these, like, I think it's definitely worth it. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I did read mixed reviews on Amazon. Most of the stuff had to do with packaging or the light coming defective and they weren't able to get a replacement at a reasonable time or things like that. But all those problems seems to be rectified at this point. When I got my package, the legs were located at the top of the box rather than the bottom, so it can't, you know, look like an optical illusion and make me throw away my stand accidentally from the box and thinking I never got one, you know? That was probably the most frequent complaint I saw on the Amazon reviews. Other ones said like their light died as soon as they got it, like within a couple months they got it, it dies really fast, or it even came defective, like having parts not lighting up at all or having only half a light. Since I just got this, obviously I cannot comment on that, and I don't know how long this will last, but you'll definitely know if something happens to my light right after I got it. This light also comes with a dimmer, but basically, even though it comes with a dimmer, the difference is not that large. There's pretty much only two settings. There's bright and very bright, on and very on. Let me know in the comments below which setting you think my video looks best in, because honestly I know nothing about lighting. I have friends that do stage lighting and stuff like that, but I personally don't know how to light stuff. This is my first ever ring light and I'm so proud to be able to get it. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't already, be sure to hit that like button, click subscribe, and follow me on all the social media. The information is somewhere on the screen right now. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!